Hi everyone, I'm Patty Olmstead in for Melissa Carlson, giving you an update on what we're working on for the webcast today. I will open the Hangout at 10:50 and we will go live online at 11. We're going to start today with a Texas judge who says if President Obama is reelected, there'll be civil war. Tell me what you think. Then we'll move on to an ex-Navy SEAL is releasing a book about the Osama bin Laden raid, and White House doesn't know anything about it. So you tell me, should they have the right to read over this book, and will the publishers release it in September like they plan to? Then Prince Harry, yes, the photos are out. He got naked in his private suite. Was it a security issue? We'll be talking about that. And finally, Matt Brown will be with us to talk about what's going on in Northern Nevada and let you know what you should be doing this weekend. So hope you can join us. Again, the Hangout will open at 10:50. If you'd like to watch us live online, that'll start at 11. See you then.